Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Video sir once again. I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. I hope everybody doing fine. Okay, so last session we have already discussed about the tools like algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocode, right? So have you seen an algorithm? We have to solve the problem step by step. What was the flowchart? So flowchart we are able to solve the problem graphically, right, step by step. And pseudocode was the template of programming languages in stylingless language, and we see the advantage of the flowchart and pseudocode. So based on these three tools, we are going to say some problem statement and we are going to fix them. So how can you proceed? So let's practice the concepts learned by some solving some problems. Like problem statement look alike, write a algorithm to accept two number, divide this first number by second and display the quotients and allocate time to solve the problem. 10 minutes. So here the question. So like in previous also show you how to add two numbers same as it is here also. So you can say step one start the algorithm, like as I told you previous. First of all we have to start the algorithm, then we have to take the input. So as you can see, get the first number, get the second number, divide the first number by second number and display the result. So and finally end the algorithm. So as you can see 72 divided by 9 so equals to 8. So this is where you can solve the basic problems, right? Second question, write the algorithm to accept distance in kilometer, convert into meter, and then display the result. So as you can see, 1 kilometer equals to almost 1000. So you can say hint distance in meter equals to distance in kilometer multiply 1000. Suppose I have a distance, so suppose 2000 to 2000 into like 2 meters, so 2 into 1000 2000, like suppose 5, so 5 into 1000 5000. So any specific distance you have to take it in meter. Allocate your time to solve the problem. So again you can see start an algorithm, so get a distance in kilometers and multiply the distance by 1000 and display the results of the multiplication at distance in meters. So as you can see 50, so 50 into 1000 equals to 50,000. So distance in meter equals to 50,000 and finally end the algorithm. So this is where you can solve the problem. Here you can see write an algorithm takes it 5 number. So we have to take any 5 number and the sum and average of the number. So total divided by number of elements. So I have taken I will see we taken 5 number here, like get first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and divide the sum by 5 and display the addition and sum and result of the division as a average. So total coming 20, 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. So sum is 20 and average is 4. Okay, so this is where you can make a total and you can find out the average of the number. Okay, and this is summary of your chapter. So this is where once you finish the chapter, I will recommend to all of your students, so you have to read the summary because summary is basically conclusion of the chapter. So once you understood your chapter well from starting, summary really going to be interesting. You are able to summarize, make the conclusion of the chapter, what you learn from this chapter. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much and see you in next video.